So this is segment 3. Previously in segment 2, we learned about the application for building subdivision, so which is essentially a step in strata title issuance. So we consider that the application has been approved. So now this particular slide 23, will tell you about about the treatment of the strata titles once the titles have been approved, which is registration. So registration is under Part 3 of Strata Titles Act. So it's covered under sections 15 to 19. Okay, section 15 is all about the maintaining, the preparing and the maintaining of the register. So if you can imagine, there's a for each strata development, a register will be open for that particular strata development. So what is in the register? The register will contain index. The register is an index of individual parcels and of the attached accessory parcels of the individual parcels, and the certified strata plan for the development, and also finally the RDT. RDT. So what is RDT? RDT is the register document of title. So RDT is kept at the register in the PTG. So that is section 50 is on the preparation and the maintenance of the register. Then we go to the next section, section 16. Section 16 is about how there must be 2 copies of the strata title. The registrar shall prepare RDT and IDT. Okay, so 2 copies. So this is similar to the land titles that we learn under National Land Code. Okay, the concept is similar, which is sovereign system. So there are 2 copies, RDT and IDT. RDT is kept at the PTG. IDT is kept by the proprietor. So the title will be in respect of the parcels and provisional block, if any. Provisional block means blocks of the portion of the strata development that has not been constructed yet. So this refers to mainly phased developments, pembangunan berfasa. Okay. The registrar shall prepare RDT, IDT, and in the name of the person last registered as proprietor of the lot. So means the first time the strata title is issued, the name on the strata titles is the name of the owner of the land, the proprietor of the land. So if it's the developer's name will appear in the strata title. If it's a joint venture between developer and say Mr. A, Mr. A's name will appear in the strata title. Okay, registration of RDT must be under the hand and seal of registrar, same as land title. Section 17 states that the effect of opening strata register of the is the lot will become common property. Now, the lot will belong to all the strata owners of the development scheme. Okay, and under whose name? It will be under the MC's name. There needs to be a change in the name from the original proprietor to the MC. This will be done at the PTG, whereby the registrar shall make a memorial of the in the RDT and IDT, and then after making the memorial, return the IDT to the MC to be kept by the MC in the management office. Normally there will be a safe, okay, in the management office whereby the title will be kept in the safe. Section 18. Okay, section 18, each parcel shall have a share value. Okay, so section 18 is all about how each parcel must be assigned a share value which is equal to the share unit. So what is the share unit is in the next slide. Okay, basically share unit must be expressed, must be written in whole numbers. Cannot be point. Dia tak boleh 10.5, cannot. It must be whole numbers, 10, 100, 108, and so on and so forth. Now, section 19 is similar to section 18 regarding share units, but this applies to provisional block, meaning even though the block has not been constructed yet, the provisional block can be assigned share values. Okay, so I'll stop here for a moment. So in these two slides, we are going to discuss the summary of strata title issuance procedure, but not under SMA, not under STA. This one is under SMA, but essentially it's the same. Okay, under STA and SMA. Okay, so if we go, I'm sorry for the quality of the picture. It's not that fantastic, but it's fine. Okay, it starts with the application of the for planning permission. So planning permission in KL is known as development order. Okay, so planning permission from whom? From the local planning authority. So the next stage would be the planning permission approval from the local planning authority, and then we have the building plan approval from the local authority, the building unit of the local authority, and then finally they will prepare SIFUS, the Sigil Formula Unit Share, SIFUS, whereby the SIFUS application is made to the State Land and Mines Director. Okay, so the application of the SIFUS is detailed in this box, okay, whereby the box will show you all the documents needed, okay, for the application of SIFUS. Okay, so this one you can read on your own in the course book, or can read after this in fact. Okay, next one is filing of the SOP to the Commissioner of Building. The SOP is also needs the approval by the pengarah PTG, tetapi must be filed after that, mesti di-filingkan after that to the COB. The next step would be issuance of developer's license, okay, whereby after the developer has already obtained the SIFUS, the SOP, finally they can apply for a license to develop that particular scheme. Okay, then the next one, they can sell the units or the parcels in the development scheme. So that's from the application for planning permission until the sale. Until the sale. Now, so when can we apply for strata title if this is the process of development for strata scheme? It's here during the strata superstructure stage, whereby the superstructure stage must be certified complete. So this is the point when the application for building subdivision can be made, okay, whereby after the certification that superstructure stage has been completed within 3 months. I see in this box, it's not clear here, but you can read later. Within 3 months, an application to apply application for building subdivision can be submitted to the PTG. So application here, the made to the PTG, and then the strata application is approved by the PTG, and then once it's approved, the titles can be prepared by PTG and with the help of JUPEM. JUPEM mesti datang dan ukur, The strata CP also must be prepared by the JUPEM. Okay, issuance of strata title. So after JUPEM has finished their ukur matter, their survey matter, the strata titles can be issued by the PTG. Now, after issue, what do they do? What is the process of issuance? Must be registered. Okay, yang tadi tu the slide number 23. Okay, registered, and also issuance of vacant position serentak. So why is it under SMA? Because this is the point when MC is born, MC is established. Once the strata register is open, MC will come into existence. That's why it comes under SMA as well as STA. Okay, the importance of the issuance of strata title. Strata title means bila saja dah approved by the PTG, strata register will be open. The opening of the strata register means that MC is born, MC is established. So that's why it comes under both acts. And finally, once the register has been opened, the strata titles will be transferred to the new buyers from the original proprietor tu tadi, if you recall, from the original proprietor, which can be the developer, or if it's a joint venture, can be under the name of the proprietor. Now the name on the strata titles can be changed, can be transferred to the new owner, to the buyer. Okay, so that's all. Please attempt the questions after this.